Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I will be drawing the prizes for several giveaways that I had up on my channel. The first one is for this cat die, and it was in one of my Temu and AliExpress hauls. I had a prize, I think it was in one of my yard sale hauls, for the scallop die. Then we have our Mayflower challenge, and that was this bag of dewdrops. Today we're going to draw those winners. Let's go ahead and start picking some winners. And winners, please contact me. My email is listed in the About Me page, or you can direct message me on Instagram. The first one is for the cat die, and we had 18 entries. I have my random number generator. We had 18 entries. So we're going to do 1 through 18, and then we're going to generate a number. And that generated number 3. And that is Debbie Jeans This and That. Congratulations, Debbie. You have won the cat. Please get a hold of me with your mailing address and I will drop that in the mail for you. Okay, now we're going to draw for the scallop die prize. We had 19 entries. I've reset my random number picker, and so I'm going to put in the 19. And let's go ahead and generate a number. And that is number 19. And that is Deanna, Blonde Amazon. Congratulations, Deanna. You have won the scallop die prize. Please go ahead and get a hold of me, and I will get that shipped out to you. The next prize for my flower challenge, that was my hashtag Double Click Connect challenge, was for a flower that was made for 2023. We had 23 entries. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that has been entering my challenges. It has been so inspirational to see everyone's entries, and I appreciate all of your support so very much. Our current challenge, which is for June 2023, is The Sky's the Limit, and I hope to see some entries coming in on that. Here is the prize for the May Flower Challenge. Okay, so let's go ahead. I've reset my screen, and we have 23 entries. Let's go ahead and put in 1 to 23, and let's generate a number. That is number 10, and that is Melissa at Mo Creations. Congratulations, Melissa. You have won the dewdrops from the May 2023 Flower Challenge. Please go ahead and get a hold of me and send me your address so I can get these out into the mail for you. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and to everyone that has entered all of my challenges. I appreciate you so much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.